Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Yeah, if today is the first time you are stopping here, my name is Angela. You are highly welcome. Make yourself comfortable, okay? You are in a right place. And to you, my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. God bless you. Yeah, guys, in today's video, I just want to carry you guys along and show you how I normally prepared my land before planting seeds. Yeah, guys, this is how I used to do it. I'm using my garden fork to prepare the land. So guys, keep watching, okay? I don't know if this video make any sense. Am I making any sense at all, sir? But I just want to show you guys how I used to prepare my land, and I want to carry you guys along throughout this my farming season, because some of you want to know how I do and how I cultivate my crops. So guys, I want to show you guys everything this year. So stay tuned if you like farming. But if you don't like, you can still click out. No problem. God bless you.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. You've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute. Stay a minute. Stay a minute, another minute. Stay a minute, another minute.
Yeah, guys, I have finished cultivating. Then I will use this long hole to just level the soil before I will start planting seeds.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. You've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. Our life's in a slow mo, always in a slow mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute. Stay a minute. Stay a minute, another minute. Stay a minute, another minute. Stay a minute. Stay a minute.
Yeah, guys, I have finished transplanting. So over here, I planted strawberry. That is this strawberry. And here I planted my basil. Here I planted lettuce. And over here I planted tomatoes. And also I planted scotch bonnet. Here is my scotch bonnet. And here is tomatoes. I plant a lot of tomatoes because I love tomatoes, so I plant so many. And here I planted zucchini. Hi guys. Yeah guys, it is the next day, okay? And I'm here to plant my okra. And I want to carry you guys along and show you how I plant my okra seed. Yeah, this okra, I'm just removing the seeds from the dried fruit. Yeah, the okra, I collected it from my farm last year. Then I left them to dry it up. And the okra is already dried. Then now I want to replant it. And I will just take out the seeds from the fruit, dried fruit. Then I plant the seeds. So here I'm planting the okra. I will just make a hole and put about 3 or 4 seeds inside it, because not all of them that will germinate. So I would just make a hole and put like 3, 4, 5 in a hole. Maybe 2 or 3 may germinate and the others may die off. So this is how I normally plant my okra. I don't know how you used to plant your own, or have you tried ever plant okra before in your life? So this is how I plant my own. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Okay, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, ngwanu, become subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you know anytime I upload a new video. Okay, thank you and see you on my next video. Bye.